Hi friends, happy Cinco de Mayo. That means happy 5th of May and also happy Tuesday. Today you are going to have a greeting and share, and since we never got to share Joshua's Monster of the Week, this week will be his week. So please write something kind about Joshua on our board. Then you'll see a friend in our spotlight today. And then please tell me how you are feeling. Please remember to tell me why you are feeling that way. Make sure you always type in that box why. You are going to log into iReady and complete just one lesson, and then you have a video today. You are going to see a familiar face, most of you today, in this video. And she's looking and finding some trash. And they'll do an activity with using clues, putting them together, and figuring out and inferring whose trash belongs to who. For math today, you're going to log into iReady and complete one lesson, and then we have some videos on time, telling time. Then you're going to try and tell me what different clocks say and what the time they are that they read. Then today, if you could please choose one special to complete, and then your day is over. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a wonderful day, friends. Goodbye.